We are pleased to show you the 2025 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote engine start, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.